We are going to learn mathematics, which we use in our day-to-day life. In class 2, we have learnt about 2-digit and 3-digit number. Now, in class 3, we are going to learn about 4-digit numbers with the help of an abacus and place value chart, addition and subtraction of 4-digit numbers, numbers above 10 in tables, distribution and regrouping in multiplication and division, more in fractions, geometry, money, time, and metric measures. You will find it easier and understand mathematics better with the step-by-step explanation given in this DVD in each and every sum. Let us now start with the chapter numbers.
Numbers. 4-digit numbers.
In our previous classes, we have learned about 2-digit and 3-digit numbers. We know that the smallest 2-digit number is 10. The largest 2-digit number is 99. The smallest 3-digit number is 100. The largest 3-digit number is 999. Now, let us know about 4-digit numbers. When you add 1 to the largest 3-digit number, that is 999, we get a 4-digit number. We read this as 1000. In words, we write it as 1000. 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number. It stands in the 4th place in the place value chart. The largest 4-digit number is 9999.
4-digit number on an abacus. Let us read about 4-digit number with the help of an abacus. Count the number of beads in the spikes that shows ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands respectively. We have 5 beads in the ones column. We have 2 beads in the tens column. We have 3 beads in the hundreds column. And we have 4 beads in the thousands column. The same numerals may be written in the place value chart like this: 4,325. Now, let us try some examples. Let us arrange these 4-digit numbers in the place value chart and write their number names. 6,534. Write 4 in the ones column. Write 3 in the tens column, 5 in the hundreds column, and 6 in the thousands column. Now, we have 6 thousands, 5 hundreds, 3 tens, and 4 ones. We write it as 6,534. Next, we will take 8,987. Write 7 in the ones column, 8 in the tens column, 9 in the hundreds column, and 8 in the thousands column. So, we have 8,000, 900s, 8 tens, and 7 ones. We write this as 8,987. The next number is 3,475. Bring 5 to the ones column, 7 to the tens column, 4 to the hundreds column, and 3 to the thousands column. We have 3 thousands, 4 hundreds, 7 tens, and 5 ones. We write this as 3,475 only. Next is 2,190. Bring 0 to the ones column, 9 to the tens column, 1 to the hundreds column, and 2 to the thousands column. We have 2,000s, 100s, 9 tens, and 0 ones. We write this as 2,190. Next is 5,566. Bring 6 to the ones column, 6 to the tens column, 5 to the hundreds column, and 5 to the thousands column. Now we have 5,000s, 500s, 6 tens, and 6 ones. We write this as 5,566. Let us write the numerals for the given number names. 1,987. We have 1,000, 900, 8 tens, and 7 ones. We write this as 1987. 7,566. We have 7,000s, 500s, 6 tens, and 6 ones. We write this as 7566. 4,567. We have 4,000s, 500s, 6 tens, and 7 ones. We write this as 4567.
Next, we will read the abacus and write the numerals and the number names. In this abacus, we have 6 beads in the ones column, 3 beads in the tens column, 2 beads in the hundreds column, and 5 beads in the thousands column. We write this as 5236. We write this in words as 5,236. In this abacus, we have 1 bead in the ones column, 4 beads in the tens column, 2 beads in the hundreds column, and 3 beads in the thousands column. We write this as 3241. We write this in words as 3,241. Face value of a digit in a numeral. The face value of a digit in a numeral will remain the same at whatever place it stands. There will be no change in the value. Thus, in the numeral 9876, the face value of 6 is only 6. The face value of 7 is only 7. The face value of 8 is only 8. And the face value of 9 is 9. Place value of a digit in a numeral. The place value of a digit in a numeral depends upon its position in the place value chart. Let us see an example by using a 4-digit number. First, let us arrange 6,879 in the place value chart. The place value of 9 will be 9 ones, which is equal to 9. The place value of 7 will be 7 tens, which is equal to 70. The place value of 8 will be 8 hundreds, which is equal to 800. And the place value of 6 will be 6 thousands, which is equal to 6,000. Numerals in expanded form. A numeral, when expressed as a sum of the place values of its digits, is said to be in its expanded form. Let us see this with an example. Place the number 9876 in the place value chart. 9876 is equal to 9,000s plus 800s plus 7 tens plus 6 ones, which is equal to 9,000 plus 800 plus 70 plus 6. This is called the expanded form of the number 9876. Successor of a number. The number that comes just after a particular number is called its successor. In the numerical order, the successor of a number is one more than the number. The successor of 5 is 5 plus 1, that is 6. The successor of 25 is 25 plus 1, that is 26. The successor of 125 is 125 plus 1, which is 126, and so on.
Predecessor of a number. The number that comes just before a particular number is called its predecessor. In the numerical order, the predecessor of a number is 1 less than the number. The predecessor of 5 is 5 minus 1, that is 4. The predecessor of 25 is 25 minus 1, that is 24. The predecessor of 125 is 125 minus 1, that is 124. Comparison of numbers. Let us first learn the rules for comparison. Rule 1. First compare the digits at the leftmost place in both the numbers. Rule 2. If they are equal, compare the second digits from the left. Rule 3. If the second digits from the left are also equal, then compare the third digits from the left. Rule 4. Continue in the same way until you find unequal digits at the same place. Then, find the number which is greater by comparing the unequal digits. Let us see an example. Compare 8765 and 9876. Both the numbers are 4-digit numbers. Compare the digits at the leftmost place. The digit is 8 in the first number and 9 in the second number. So you know 9 is greater than 8. So 9,876 is greater than 8,765. See another example. Compare 8765 and 8764. Both are 4-digit numbers. Both have same number in the thousands place, that is 8. Both have same number in the hundreds place, that is 7. Both have the same number in tens place too, that is 6. Now, let us see the ones place. Here, the number is different. It is 5 in the first number and 4 in the second number. So, 8,765 is greater than 8,764.
Ordering of numbers. There are two types of ordering numbers, namely ascending order and descending order. The numbers are arranged using the comparison rules. When given numbers are arranged from the greatest to the smallest, it is called the descending order. Example is 8,000, 7,000, 6,000, 5,000, and so on. When the given numbers are arranged from the smallest to the greatest, it is called the ascending order. Example for this is 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, and so on. Addition. Addition without carrying. Step 1. Arrange the digits of the given numbers in columns of thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. Step 2. First add the numbers in the ones column and write down the answer. Then add the numbers in the tens column. Then the numbers in the hundreds column, and finally add the numbers in the thousands column. Let us try some examples. Add 4358 and 3621. Adding ones. 8 ones and 1 ones will give you 9 ones. We write 9 under the ones column. Adding tens. 5 tens and 2 tens will give you 7 tens. We write 7 under the tens column. Adding hundreds. 3 hundreds and 6 hundreds gives you 9 hundreds. We write 9 under the hundreds column. Adding thousands. 4 thousands and 3 thousands will give you 7 thousands. We write 7 under the thousands column. Thus, we arrive at the answer. Example 2. Add 2345, 3452 and 4102. First, arrange the numbers in column of ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Now, add the numbers in the ones column. 5 ones plus 2 ones plus 2 ones is equal to 9 ones. 4 tens plus 5 tens plus 0 tens is equal to 9 tens. 3 hundreds plus 4 hundreds plus 100 is equal to 8 hundreds. 2 thousands plus 3 thousands plus 4 thousands is equal to 9 thousands. The answer will be 9,000 plus 800 plus 9 tens plus 9 ones. We write it as 9,899. Hence the sum of given numbers is 9,899. Addition with carrying. When the numbers in the columns exceed single digit, we follow the carryover method. Let us see an example to understand this concept better. Take two numbers, 4,567 and 3,678. Arrange them in columns as usual. Add ones column. 7 ones plus 8 ones will give you 15, which is 5 ones and 1 tens. You cannot write 15 as the answer in the column below. So, we take 5 ones to the column below and carry over 1 tens to the top of tens column. Now add tens column. 6 tens plus 7 tens plus 1 ten, which was carried over from adding ones column, gives you 14. Write down 4 below the tens column and carry over 1 to the hundreds column. Now add hundreds column. 5 hundreds plus 6 hundreds plus 100, which was carried over. We get 12. Write 2 below the hundreds column and carry over 1 to the thousands column. Now add thousands. 4 thousands plus 3 thousands plus 1,000 which was carried over. We get 8. Now write 8 below the thousands column. We arrive at an answer of 8,245. Example 2. Add 1,234, 2,345 and 3,456. Add ones column first. 4 plus 5 plus 6 is equal to 15. Write 5 below the ones column and carry over 1 to the tens column. Add tens column. 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 1 carryover number is equal to 13. Write 3 below the tens column and carry over 1 to the hundreds column. Add hundreds column. 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 1 carry over number, we get 10. Write 0 in the hundreds column and carry over 1 to the thousands column. Now add the thousands column. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1 carry over number, we get 7. Write down 7 below the thousands column. The final answer arrived will be 7,035.